Today I'm going to be playing the game Spelling Bee. It's a really good game for students to play at home or in class, especially if the classroom has a smart board. The students can play sort of competitively, use the smart board to type in the tiles, and it's just a really good repetitive game that sort of allows students to just repetitively spell words. So you can choose a difficulty, and then it comes up with a bunch of categories that the students can pick, and it also gives them a little preview so they can see how difficult it's going to be, or if they want to practice the words beforehand they can and then come and play the game. So just an example.
Elephant.
Once you click on the tile
Butterfly.
of what category you want to do,
Tiger.
it says the word out loud and also shows you a picture.
Snake.
So if I spell a letter wrong, it comes up as red.
Duck.
And if I start to struggle and I'm not sure what the next letter is, it starts to eliminate some tiles. So I then know that duck starts with D. And so this is how many words you have to get to complete. So it's 33, and your score is up here if students want to compare and sort of make a competitive game out of it. If you fail to type the letter in before the time runs out, it does say game over and the students can start again, but they also do get a score and how long they lasted in the game. So they can also compare that as well and to track their progress to see if they're improving each time. So I'll just show you this screen. So it says game over, and then has your score and time over here, and then also shows sort of a worldwide thing, so how good people are all across the world. So that's Spelling Bee. It's just a really good repetitive game for students to play against each other or just to practice at home.